Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be understanding simple interest. So let's start. I will also be making another video on simple interest in which I'll teach you how you can do the questions without using any formulas or anything. By the way, in this video I will explain you the formulas. So that video's link I'll add in the description, so you can check that out also. Alright, now let's start. So I'll explain you simple interest with the help of a very simple example. So let's take it that F is the name of a farmer. So there's a farmer whose name is F, and there are floods in the region where F lives. So he goes to a money lender to borrow some money. Money lender. Fine. So after he goes to the money lender, he asks him, let's say rupees 10,000. We can take 10,000 rupees. So he has asked the money lender to give him 10,000 rupees. That's no problem. Then the money lender says that he'll put a rate of 5% per annum on it. Wait, what does that mean? I'll explain what it means. So we all know. So first, let me explain you the meaning of per annum. The thing this per annum means per year. Annum means year, so it means per year. Now, when we say 5% per year, it means that 5% will be charged extra. Will be charged extra. 5% will not be charged. 5% will be charged extra on the money that was initially borrowed. Fine. And before we continue any further, let me tell you the initial money that was borrowed is your principal. Your principal is 10,000. Understood? So now let's take a look at our rate. So now that I've told you that 5% is the money that will be asked extra, so basically when he'll be asking the money in the total, which will be the amount, it is going to be 105% of 10,000. I'll explain it more in a second. So now that we know that 5% is extra, we can write like this, because when we write like this, the percent sign gets cancelled and comes down as 100. So basically, calculating the simple interest or the money that will be charged extra, we can do it like this, right? This will be the money that will be charged extra. So it becomes rupees 500. Yeah. So now that we know what money has been charged extra, let me tell you that this extra money is known as your simple interest. Simple interest, also called SI. Fine. Now let's say that the money lender says that he'll return the money after a time of 2 years. Fine. 2 years, that's the time. There's nothing much in that. So now that we know that the the rate was per annum, that is per year, but now we have 2 years. So what we'll have to do is that this 500 was the simple interest of 1 year, since 5% was per annum. So we'll have to multiply this 500 by 2, and that will make it rupees 1000. So rupees 1000 is the simple interest or the money that will be charged extra. So what will be the money that the money lender will receive back from the farmer? That will be the amount, which is equal to the principal plus simple interest. So what was our principal? It was rupees 10,000. It was rupees 10,000. And what is our simple interest? That is the money that is extra. Is rupees 1,000. So sum it up. It becomes rupees 11,000. So 11,000 rupees is the amount that the farmer will pay back to the money lender after 2 years, in this case. Alright, now I'll tell you a couple of formulas. So your simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. And if you see that initially when we had calculated this part, so basically I'll tell you that this 100 is that 100 that comes when the percent sign gets cancelled and comes down as 100. Fine. So this times the principal. Earlier I had done R into P. So P into R and R into P are the same thing. So that we had discussed earlier, this is what it is. And later, where we had later multiplied it by 2, you can multiply it directly. So let's test it out. It will become 5 upon 100 Wait, first I'll take the principal because like I've written. So it will become like 10,000 into, one more zero here, into 5 upon 100 into 2. So cut out these two zeros here. You see, it becomes rupees 1000. This was another zero over here that I had forgotten to add. So it becomes rupees 1000. A couple of other formulas can be that principal is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. Your T is equal to SI into 100 upon P into R. And as for your R, that is the rate, is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T.